Good morning, traders. This is John Kennedy from Chicago with RGO Futures. I'm a senior market strategist. Just to give you a brief rundown of some of the grain markets here this morning. Currently, corn's trading about 4.85 and a quarter, down about 4.75 cents in an overall weekday for grain markets. Soybeans are trading at about 14.22 and three quarters, down 3.25 cents, and wheat's trading at roughly 707 half, down 7 cents. We're seeing some profit taking today after the markets ran up yesterday, with continued fund long position establishment. The traders will be eager to see if that continues here in the short term, or if some of those big funds have achieved the long positions they're looking for. Keep an eye on it. Looking at yesterday's exports, corn came in at the top end of expectations at about 45 million bushels. So wheat came in right in the middle of expectations at about 19.3 million bushels. And soybeans were on the lower end of expectations, but still solid at about 26.9 million bushels for yesterday's export inspections. As expected as well, there was slightly lower wheat crop conditions. Like I said, this was an expected number, and the overall conditions of the crop are still well above last year's numbers at this point in March. There haven't been any USDA sales or cancellations as of yet this morning, always subject to change. On the weather front, there are two systems coming through that could bring light to moderate precipitation to the eastern part of the Midwest, with temperatures being about average to below. So keep an eye on that here going forward. Also here through the week, we'll have estimates begin coming out. Bloomberg's already out, and Reuters will come out over the next day or so ahead of the grain stocks report scheduled for next Monday. Until the next time, good trading. This is John Kennedy in Chicago. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.